Go swimming and not get wet. Hi, let's go gamble on a sugar bet. Let's go swim, let's not get wet. Let's go gamble on a sugar bet. Baby, get out, don't go yet.
Hey, today we're going to be looking at this McCulloch ProMac 55. This saw came from auction. I'm not sure how long it was sitting, but I would imagine a long time. So we're going to go through it a little bit, test her out, and see if we can get her going. To start with, we'll pull the bar and chain off. There. Now, we may pull this top cover and have a look. Looks reasonably clean in there. Fuel line on this side, still fairly pliable. Let's open the fuel cap and see what's in the tank. Luckily, the tank is bone dry. We'll get the little hook and pull the filter out. The filter looks good and clean. Line still soft and pliable. For as dirty as this saw is, it might not be too bad to get going. Now let's pull the plug out. It's like when last running. It's actually running not too bad. It's kind of a nice brown color. Let's do a compression test on it. I'm just going to pull it away for a second and give it a few pulls so I can hold the throttle open. And we've got 130 pounds, 135 pounds compression. It should be enough to get her going. It is dry. And maybe we'll check her for spark. Looks like it's got good spark. So, maybe we'll pull this carburetor off. We'll have a look inside it. Just make sure everything looks good. Now we'll get the saw out of the way. We'll tear into this carb. Okay, so the Walbro SDC. We'll pull the pump side apart. This side looks real clean and pliable. Screen looks good and clean. Let's pull the diaphragm side apart. Diaphragm seems in decent shape. Nice and pliable. It seems stuck down pretty good and everything seems good, so I'm not even going to pull that off. There's no point in wrecking it for no reason. I'll flip her over. We'll just put this side back together. Now I think we'll do a quick pressure test on that. Tighten up the screw. That seems to be holding just fine. So maybe I'll put this carb back on and we'll put some fuel in her and see what she'll do. Okay, there's the carburetor back on. Let's fuel her up, take her outside and see if she'll go.